Hello. I have received another package. I just opened the pack so it would be easier. So this is all inside. I'm gonna take it out. Empty. I'll check again. And someone is saying hello over there. I'm gonna open it. I didn't open these before. Just open the big one. Got something really small in here, I think. Just have to be careful. Oh yeah. So I'm gonna take this out because it's in a plastic one. So I don't need the scissors anymore. So I have a couple of 3D projects and some diamond paintings. I might do one of this, then maybe this one. No, maybe I'll do this one and then this. And I have 3 boxes, so I'm gonna do 4. My cat is there. Mira, Blakkie, wat is dat, schatje? Wat is? Mama is een video aan het maken, schat. Ja, straks. I'm gonna do 1 box there and 1 box over there. So this is going to be for this video. I'm gonna start with the diamond painting. It's a little bit smushed, but that's okay, you can see. So this one is, I have another one of the cross that says, with God everything is possible, and this one is faith, hope and love. I think it's beautiful. So this one this is a 30 by 40 with 19 colors. I'm gonna put this over there. Beautiful little bird in there. I don't have any DMC codes on the canvas, but I do have them nice printed on the drills. This is a round painting. A little bit further. Beautiful blue. That's for in the background. Beautiful colors. More blue for the background. It's for the words, I think. Yeah, that's not many written things. Beautiful. Some brown for the leaves. Some green. It's gonna be beautiful. Beautiful. Is it 3 or 4? 3. It's printed very clear, so that's good. And I think the canvas is also, yeah, it's sticky. I just need I'm gonna flatten right away, because no, I'm gonna do that later, because otherwise it's gonna take like forever. I'm gonna do the small one. This one is a special drill. It's not a really big one, as you could see. It's only, I think it's maybe a 15 by so this is 11. Yeah, I think it's a 15 by 20. So it's a beautiful diamond painting with special drills. So I have 14 different symbols or stones. I don't know how. I think, oh no, they are crystals. So there are 14 different crystals. A nice kit that we don't need. And there are also like special drills in there. Yeah, there's this one looks like, I don't know, purple. Yes, purple. And now you can see. So we have purple crystal, another purple. Yeah, beautiful. This one is going to be a very fast one. Maybe I'm going to do this one as a time lapse because it's so small. A little bit of black. Then we have, and there's 3 other ones that I think are these. No, I don't know. So this is just, you know, this is beautiful. I think these are pearls. I know they are not smooth, as you can see. I don't know if you can see, but trying my best so my it will focus. Some blue. Yeah, beautiful. Okay. And it says, I love you. Which is nice. But I don't know why it's a penguin, because I'm pretty sure that's not a penguin. Pretty sure that's an arrow. So yeah, it's a beautiful penguin. Apparently. Yeah, I'm sorry if you can hear my cat in the background. Alright, so that was this one. That were the diamond painting. I'm gonna do the box first. It's a mandala night light, if I'm not mistaken. That's how it's called. It's a blue one. We have that thing that we don't need. This, how will I be able to take it out? Normally there's the thing, the lights, no, not the lights, but the white thing is are stuck out, but this one doesn't. The drills or the stones and the crystals come in baggies, and I love that. I'm gonna show you the crystals first. Oh, they are. That's a beautiful one. That's a pearl. Gorgeous. I don't think I will be doing all of these. I might keep some of the special projects for giveaways in the future. If anyone would love that. I already made 2 and I will show them at the end of this video. Oh, this one is beautiful. Gorgeous. So these are the drills. Let's take a better look. So it's a beautiful mandala. I love that. This doesn't take much time to make these. So that was the box, and now I have to I call them storage boxes. I cannot speak today. What's wrong with me? So it comes in a nice baggie. This is the picture. My cat will pass by if you can see him. His shadow is passing by. Also a beautiful one. It comes with 1 sheet, so I have to open it all in one time. This might also be for a future giveaway, because I don't need like 5 or 6 boxes like these. I do love them, but I don't know what I would do with them. Oh, that's beautiful. Or I might do it and just give it away. I have no idea yet. Oh, I love these. They're beautiful stones. Nice pearl again. Gorgeous. So since this might be a giveaway, I keep everything in the box. All right. And I just see that it's a little bit with some tape. That is easy fixed. So we have the other one. So that's the other one. Beautiful. Oh, I was looking for the opening. So standard tray. Whoa, they are gorgeous. I haven't seen these in my special ones. Not that I have many of them, but I'm gonna start with just the crystals. Oh, look at these. These are beautiful. I don't have these in my spare drills. Yeah, but they are beautiful. And thank you for everyone that has subscribed to my channel. I really appreciate it. And thank you so much for your support. So that was the other one. And I'm gonna show you the other projects that I finished. The 3D projects. I kept them in the bag because I still need to seal it, and I was afraid that the drills would fall off. So that's the first one I completed. A really beautiful one. And one of the ones that I completed, I will give it away to my mom. I might give one to my sister for her pencils or whatever she wants to put in there. So I might do one that I received. One is for myself, and the other one is for my mom. So this one is for myself, and then this one is for my mother. So this one is for my mom. Also really beautiful. I love the colors on this one too. But she loved this one as well. So so that's the cases. Then we have, I also kept them in the box because I was afraid that for the special shapes. So that's the moon and the sun one. I think it's beautiful. I love it. It's actually like a mandala in a mandala, but it's beautiful. So this one comes with a red one. I can't remember if I showed this in an unboxing, so I apologize if you haven't. And that's the other one, a mandala one. This one comes with a light blue one like the other ones. Also a really beautiful one. I love mandalas. I really enjoy drawing them myself. So and this one comes with small stars. I love this project, but I cannot keep them all to myself because it takes a lot of space. And but I do enjoy making them. I don't know if I have anything else to show you in this video. I do have, normally I have a lot of diamond paintings that I work on, but I'm currently working on other projects that are not diamond painting. So if you want to see my other projects, please leave a comment in the section below and I'll make a video about it. Also in the future there's gonna be a video about my stash that I currently have. I'll have to do it in 2 or maybe 3 different parts. Excuse me. And because I'm gonna do one with my small ones, then maybe another with the big ones, and then maybe a third one, like maybe the ones that aren't flat. Yeah, I think I'll do it like that. And if I can, I'll show you also in a different video the ones that I have completed. I have quite a few. There are paintings that I can't show you because I gave them away. But if I haven't forgotten to make a picture, I will show you those in the video. I think I said everything that I wanted to say for this one. Yeah, if you have any questions, please put them down below and I'll answer them for you. These, by the way, come from eBay, and this also from eBay. So all of this is from eBay. Just if you wanted to know that. I'll wish everyone a happy day or evening, depending on where you are. Please stay safe, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye.